Welcome, affiliate listeners, to another Monday Minute. I am Kyle Kostecka, and today we're talking about how to pick the perfect offer for January. We all know this is one of the biggest time of years for lots of various verticals. It's big for health and fitness, obviously. It's big for personal development. It's big for spirituality as well. It's also big for BizOp and IM. It's really big for if your product is involved with people changing their life in any way, shape, or form, this is the time of year that you are going to sell a lot of it. But because of that, there's a sea of different offers. And as an affiliate, you might be sitting here thinking, how do I pick the right one? Even if maybe, you might wait around for Michael and Thomas to tell you what those top offers are, but that's not always enough, right? Those offers might not fit for you, and that's only 5 to 10 offers that you're able to select. You might be looking for more. Let me tell you, there are some things that you could do to make sure that even without somebody telling you, knowing what the right offer is for you to promote. So let's jump in and talk about it. One of the first ones is you really need to understand your traffic channel and how the offer correlates with that. Oftentimes, you might be looking at gravity, not realizing that that offer might just be being heavily promoted in one traffic source. So maybe it's just an email offer and you happen to be a TikTok media buyer. Well, that could mean that the results that they're going to have are not going to fit whatsoever towards your offer. So it's important to, know what works in your offer, talk to your peers, network, look at resource articles, things like that. Ask the offer owner if you have the ability to reach out and say, hey, do you have any successful TikTok affiliates already, or whatever your traffic channel is? Even if you're looking on their affiliate tool page, see that they're supporting the things that you would expect to have for that traffic channel. If you don't see that, they don't seem like they're familiar. And then if you look at the marketing, it doesn't quite match. Even if maybe we said that it's a great top offer, even if it's top in the marketplace, that might not be the top offer for you. Trust in yourself and your own expertise versus what the marketplace and other things might say, and look for those hints and things that tell you that maybe it's not necessarily another fit. The other thing to look at is saturation. Oftentimes, you might be a little bit late to the game, especially during January with some of these offers. They're converting really well. Everyone's really, really excited. You jump on, and there's so much competition, so many affiliates promoting it. You might find that your results just aren't as good. It didn't fit the affiliate tool page resources, and maybe we're just a little bit too late, or the party's hit capacity. Well, oftentimes you could find great up-and-coming offers. Look for things that might be moving up the marketplace. If you saw something that was on one page and all of a sudden on the next, in a couple days or a week, it's moved up a page, that's a hot riser. That's an offer to pay attention to. Start looking at that stuff. Go to page 2 and 3 of Health and Fitness. Look at the offers that, if they look right, it looks like a top offer. The numbers look good. You might just be getting early in on an offer, and that means the time is really, really good to promote. But sometimes you got to dig a little bit deeper. It's obvious to go to page 1 and page 2, but if you could find something deeper down, sometimes even page 4 and 5, and if everything looks like it should work, that might be the diamond in the rough that you just got there before anybody else did. So there's some things when you're really looking for that perfect offer can make a big, big difference. Last but not least by any means, outside of the marketplace listing, which you kind of mentioned, watch the top offer segment. It is the best way to find the perfect offer. We go through, we give you all the numbers, we're telling you what we know works, and we're going to share stuff that is moving up very, very quickly based on those measurements. So at the end of the day, we're going to give you some of those top offers. You might as well start with the best. And if that's not working, you have some other tactics to make sure you get the perfect pairing for this January to line those pockets and enjoy the new you with all these new offers. Until next time, have a good one and happy promoting out there. Thanks so much.